Come on, you see the red thing? Dad, you see the red thing? Dad, you see the red thing right here? Alright. Some kid is scary. Huh?
That's this one right here.
How many three, right? 2 and 4, 1 and 5. 2 and 4, 1 and 5. 2 and 4, 1 and 5.
Can I meet with somebody? Come here. 1 and 5.
Rival mom.
Yeah.
2 and 4, 1 and 5.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Dad. Bye-bye. I haven't been here since like 9 years now. 17 right now, so.
Changed a little bit.
A lot. Let's go, chop chop, Mom. A little bit faster than that. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Is it just me? Or these seats are always this tight?
Push up on your lap bar. Push up. Push up on your lap bar.
Mom, I forgot to put my stuff in here. Oh God.
No, you're fine.
Folds out, it folds out. Yes. I hope my GoPro don't fall. All right. You not gonna hold right here? This is kind of scary.
Oh my God!
I was about to say, that's done? Oh God, no. Well, is it red still?
Yes.
Why he look like that? Oh, this is not like Space Mountain. This is better than Space Mountain. Okay, Mom, stop. It won't fall. I put it on my head real tight. The GoPro, of course. Oh, oh God. Hey, my heart's not racing this bad. Hey, yo.